anyways, it's wrap, and I hope you stay for the tingles, stay for the tingles, stay for the tingles, stay for the tingles. In today's video, I will be redoing the fabric scratching video that I had planned. I will not be doing the shoes like I had planned. So anyways, let's just get on with the video. I'm sorry if the that blue light streaks. I'm sorry. But I hope you guys get some tingles. I just recently got this. My mother-in-law got it for me because I was cold and I didn't have a jacket. I didn't bring one with me, so she just quickly got this for me. Yeah, it's cute, and I hope it makes some good sounds. Sorry about that. This dress is also really cute. On the back, it's like ribbed, and that would make good sounds, but I can't turn my dress around. I mean, I could turn my dress around. So instead, I just am gonna do the front of my dress. And it's got a cute like hole, like a circle where it's like tied at the top. Yeah, it's cute. It's cute for spring and summer, so maybe fall, because I can pair it with tights and like my combat boots. So it's really cute. is right here. That is where the mic picks up. Around here, it picks it up, but not as good. See, there's a difference between that and this. It's louder on top, so I have the mic in front of me to pick up the sounds. If you're wondering, like, why is the mic in front of you if I have it to the side? You can't hear me. You can't hear the sounds. And listen, I'm not sitting here looking pretty. Okay? That's not why I'm here. Okay. I do have another dress as well. I don't know, I can't do collarbone sounds as well as other people can. It's not slapping myself, so yeah, I can't do that as well as others can. Okay, so we are going to go on. I'm gonna put on the next dress, so I'm gonna pause it. Okay, so I have this second dress. The blue dress is more above the knee, cute for spring, summer, even fall. And then I have this longer dress. It's kind of heavy, and it's longer, like it's almost to the ground, almost, if I was a little bit shorter. But this dress is made for women 4 feet and lower and shorter, so yep, I'm like 5'4", 5'5", so I am average. I'm not short, I'm average. But this dress makes good sounds. I wore this dress last weekend. It was cold and windy, so I paired it with that jean jacket. Sorry for the sound. And yeah. Serious talk, not really. Am I ever serious? But people, I like fabric scratching. I already said that at the other dress, but people are like, you're scratching your tits, and I'm like, where else am I supposed to scratch? Where else am I supposed to scratch? I got boobs, okay? I'm sorry that I was born with boobs, okay? But I do, and I like doing it, and I like listening to it myself, okay? Where am I supposed to scratch? Please enlighten me in the comments down below, okay? Anyways, let's get back into the video. pockets. Like I said, I like sometimes you just want that like long dress, you know what I'm saying? You just want that long dress. It does not have pockets. Last year that dress had pockets. This year, both dresses do not have pockets, and I love pockets. I get so excited when a dress has pockets. So this dress, it's still cute. It is still cute, but it does not have pockets. And like I said, I love pockets. Wait, I want to see something. Okay, that isn't really. Yeah, okay. I lied. That doesn't really have a sound. No sound. I try to raise my eyebrows in a video. I can't do it. So, anyways. Oh, sorry. I am always sorry for rambling, but I ramble. That's just me. If you don't like rambling, I am not your YouTuber. I am not your ASMR artist if you don't like rambling. But I forgot what I was gonna say. Darn. I forgot what I was gonna say. So anyways, I hope you like, well, one thing I will say, if this is your first video of mine that you see, I don't always do fabric scratching, so if you want that, I don't always do fabric scratching. I do have past videos where I've done it, so you can watch more of it. I do a lot of different things than just fabric scratching. This is like a disclaimer at the end of the video that nobody's gonna see except Henry. I'm joking, but Henry will see this video. And so, yeah, I hope you guys have a good day. I hope you guys have a good day. I hope you guys have a good night. I hope you guys have a good evening. I hope you guys have a good, this will be a Friday, I think. This will be a Friday that I uploaded, but I hope you have a good Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, whatever day you're watching this. I hope it's good for you. I hope it's good. I'm gonna go nap. I'm gonna go nap. But, so I hope you guys